Please keep in mind that this song doesn't include rule verb conjugation. The tune is Santa Claus is coming to town. うつるってむぶぬんで食いてぐいですしてくるきてするしていくいって。This is a sample lesson of a telephone master course. In this lesson, you can also find the audio file of this song, so feel free to download it onto your phone. Once you remember the entire song, try the worksheet that I added to this lesson to see how much you can conjugate from plain form to tail form. Learn more about the course at smilenihongo.com/te.